In a cave of marshmallow rocks lived a baby dragon with rainbow socks. Every time he tried to roar, he'd sneeze and tumble to the floor. Achoo! Flames would fly up to the clouds and into the sky. Birds would squawk and trees would sway. Oh no, they'd shout, he's sneezing today! Sneeze, sneeze, little dragon sneeze. Flames and giggles in the breeze. Sniffle, snuffle, tail goes thwack. Careful now, he might sneeze back. He tried to eat his dragon cake, but a pepper flake was a big mistake. He wiggled once, he wiggled twice, then sneezed so hard he froze his ice. Achoo! With a frosty blast, turned his soup to snow real fast. The other dragons wrapped him tight in fuzzy scarves, all warm and bright. Sneeze, sneeze, little dragon sneeze. Flames and giggles in the breeze. Sniffle, snuffle, tail goes thwack. Cover your snout or step way back. Mama Dragon brought him tea with honey drops and lemony glee. He snuggled close, gave one last puff, then whispered, I've sneezed enough. Sneeze, sneeze, now no